Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial video about how to choose and work with the correct question types in Questback Essentials. In the tutorial on how to create a quest, we learned about the different ways on how to get started with the design of a quest. In this tutorial, we review the various question types that Questback Essentials offers and offer guidance on how to choose the correct question types. When setting up a quest, you build the questionnaire by adding or importing questions in the tab Designer. For each question, you define the question type in the first accordion called question type. The accordion includes a list of all available question types on the left side, as well as an explanation and an example for the respective question type on the right side. The available question types are grouped into four main categories. Single select questions. With such questions, you ask the respondents a question and offer them a number of answer alternatives, of which they can only select one. Single select questions are often also called radio buttons and are typically used when the answer alternatives are mutually exclusive, as with scales and other cases where one would like the respondents to pick one answer only. The question types priority drop-down and priority drag and drop are also listed under single select questions and allow you to ask respondents to rank a number of items according to their preference. Multiple choice questions. With such questions, you ask the respondents a question and offer them a number of answer alternatives, of which they can select as many as they like. Multiple choice questions are often also called checkboxes and are typically used when the answer alternatives are not mutually exclusive, as with cases where you would like the respondent to select all answers that apply. Open answer questions. With such questions, you ask the respondents a question and offer them a comment field to enter a free text answer. Miscellaneous contains two additional question types, the date/calendar, which offers the respondents a date picker to select a date, and information text, which is question without answer alternatives, to be used to add section titles or comments in the quest. A good rule of thumb is that the more respondents you invite to a quest or expect to answer a quest, the more you should work with single select or multiple choice questions. These question types offer you system-generated charts and tables at the reporting end and can be used to work with filters, comparisons, and cross-tabulations. They allow straightforward and easy reporting on an aggregate level and support quantitative analysis and reporting. Open answer questions, on the other hand, are presented as lists with the free text answers in the reporting and allow mainly qualitative analysis and reporting. This concludes this short tutorial about how to choose and work with the correct question types in Questback Essentials.